Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today in my video today I'm going to show you a Casio watch, which is the Ae-1000W model. Okay, and I bought this in 2013, so which means it's already about 6 years now. Okay, so what is let's have a look at the specification of the watch. This is the one. This is Ae-1000W-1AV. Okay, and the color is LED amber. And if you look at the features, we have a 10-year battery life. So I've been using it since 2013. So that means it is about 6 years old. So I have another 4 years of battery life left in the watch. It is face design resembles an aircraft cockpit instrument, and it has a world map for world time, and also LC analog display home city time, and it has a 100-meter water resistance. Specification is all there. You can have a look at the Casio website at Casio Ae-1000W, okay, for the complete specification of this watch. Okay, now let's go back to the watch itself. So this is the watch. So it's a bit dirty. Been using it for the last 6 years, on and off, because I have other watches too, other watches also. So meaning that this is really old, and it is already 6 years old, meaning that in terms of reliability, it's really reliable. Okay, the problem with this watch is only one, because I just snapped the band retainer. Okay, so you cannot find it anymore here, so that's the only thing that is a problem with it now. But this is still good. The strap is still good, the band is still good. Band is still good, and look at the watch, it's still okay. Okay, I'm going to clean this a little bit later on. Right, so it has been 6 years now. So the thing, the right thing that I think is missing here is the illuminator over here, and on top here is the world time. Okay, it's missing because of the 6 years of use. So you just look at the original one. You have the world time and also illuminated at the bottom. Okay, so you don't have it here, nothing at all. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up using a simple tool, which is a cotton bud with toothpaste, fresh and white. Okay, very simple. Just a little bit of it. Okay, and just apply it on the face of the watch slowly in circular motion. Slowly, circular motion, clean up. Okay, can see some small scratches can be seen, can be visible there. Look at that. I'm going to clean the edges also. Okay, so I'm going to the washroom and wash this with soap with solution. Then come back to you later. Look at it. Okay, so I have washed it with detergent, with a washing solution detergent. So let's wipe it out. Wipe it. Look at that. Shining. It's definitely clear out all the dirt, but you can still see some of the micro scratches over here, but it cannot be seen if you look at it on the front side. But it's really a good job by using a toothpaste. Okay, so the thing what I'm going to do with this watch is I'm going to buy either a new band with the retainer, or just order the retainer itself, because I think the band is still good, still strong, and I think it's good for another 4 or 5 years. Okay, so this watch has been a good companion for the last 6 years. Thank you, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Over and out.